Hello everyone. This tutorial on 16th notes combines 3 short lessons from your music theory workbooks. In a previous lesson, you learned how many eighth notes there are in quarter notes, half notes, and whole notes. This lesson goes a step further and introduces 16th notes. There are 4 16th notes in a quarter note, and there are 2 16th notes in each eighth note. In the last lesson, you reviewed how to mark your music with eighth note stems. When we have 16th notes in our rhythms, it's better to mark our music with 16th note stems. Notice there is 1 stem over each 16th note, 2 stems over the eighth notes, 4 stems over the quarter note values, and 8 stems over the half note value. When we measure music with increments of 16th notes, it's called subdividing. Professionals count and subdivide all the time because it helps them count and perform their music more accurately. After we write the 16th note stems over the music, we double beam the stems in groups of 4 so that we can see how the beats are organized. In a previous lesson, you learned that a dot increases the length of a note by half its value. For example, if a quarter note has 2 eighth notes tied together, then a dotted quarter has 3. If an eighth note is as long as 2 16th notes tied together, then a dotted eighth note is as long as 3. An eighth rest is as long as 2 16th rests, so a dotted eighth rest is as long as 3. When measuring dotted eighths with 16th note stems, it's important to make sure that we write the correct number of stems over the dotted eighth values. After writing the 16th note stems, we beam the 16th notes in groups of 4 so that we can more easily see how the beats are organized. Let's do this one more time with a challenging rhythmic example. First, we add the 16th note stems over the music, making sure that the longer note values get the correct number of stems. In this example, the dotted quarter note will get 6 16th note stems. After writing the stems over the music, we add beams and beat numbers so that we can better see how the beats are organized in each measure. This is a good time to check your work to make sure that the number of stems, beams, and beats agree with the time signature. Finally, we can perform the rhythm with our right hand while subdividing. 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a, 4 E and a. Now read lesson 15.2 through 4 in your workbook and complete the workbook exercises for these lessons. Then complete the questions in the study guide to review this unit. My name is Christopher Selby. Thank you for watching this tutorial on music theory for the successful string musician.